Hey guys, it's Tom Edens here with Whispering Waters Wellness. I'm doing an exercise right now I bet you can't even see. Doing a pelvic lift to create a little space in the hip joints. And so each time I lift, I'm pressing away from the floor, lifting my hips up out of the joints, creating a little space there. I want to teach you how to do it too so you can keep your hips healthy and nourished and fluid. Keep the synovial fluid in there, keep the cartilage nourished, and prevent osteoarthritis, prevent pain, degeneration, and inflammation. So there's a couple steps. It's pretty simple, but what we want to do is normally when we turn the waist, we turn from the waist and the hips and the legs. We use the big muscles. What we want to learn to do is to press off the floor in order to turn the waist. So I'm going to stand shoulder width and I'm going to just press off the floor in order to turn the other direction. Sometimes it's helpful to imagine your hands there pressing off a table. But really the point is to feel the pressure on the floor. And so when you do this, what we're doing is we're engaging a small group of muscles that runs from the hips, from the femur bones, the leg bones, to the sits bones, to your tailbone there. And this group of muscles is kind of like a basket. And when we turn, it shortens these two muscles, which effectively lifts the pelvis. So it shortens between the leg and the pelvis. And so by pushing away from the floor, you can begin to feel that lift. It's almost like there's a vortex coming up from your foot, spiraling this way as you turn, spiraling the direction you're turning, up your foot and carrying the pelvis with it in this lift and turn. And then the key, after you get the feel for that lift, and it's a pretty subtle thing, so don't try too hard for too long, just do it a few times, you'll get the feel for it. And then you can do both at the same time, as if you could turn in both directions. You're engaging these muscles again that are going to lift the pelvis and lift the hips, provide a little bit of relief in those hip joints. And again, allow the synovial fluid to get in there and bring some nourishment, keep them slick and nourished and healthy. All right? So try that. When you get the feel for that, it's pretty subtle. You can't see much, but I can feel it. Each time I'm pressing away with my feet, pressing away. It's almost like you're ice skating and you're pressing away. That's the motion. Press and turn. Press and turn. And there's this press and lift. Hope you enjoy that one. Take care.